How to buy stuff with Temu credit. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can purchase products from Temu with their Temu credit. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to click the link in the description below to the website. Along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money. And once you've done that, just simply come over here and simply select the product you want. Now, you have to mention that in order for you to purchase with Temu credits, you need to go ahead and purchase a couple of products beforehand, because whenever you purchase some products, Temu gives you those credits. And here you can see what is Temu credit. So here you can see Temu credits are shopping credits that can be used to pay for orders on the Temu app or the website. And there are multiple ways that you can receive them. That includes rewards for participating in their themed activities, promotional events, credit as part of their loyalty delivery program, refund payments when you choose Temu credits to receive the equivalent of the original payment method. So it's pretty cool. And here you can see where can I see it? You may view the Temu credit balance in the Temu app, or just simply over here. Let's click over here and view. Currently we can see no balance, which is fine. And over here we don't have any credits as well. We can just simply go ahead and signing in into another account, but we don't have any credit. It's fine. We do need to go ahead and participate in a couple of things before we get them. And here you can see how to get Temu credits. So again, rewards participating in their themed activities and promotional events, credit as part of late deliveries. If you have a late delivery, they'll give you some Temu credits. Refund payments when you choose the Temu credits to receive your refund within the seconds instead of receiving it back to your original payment method. So it totally depends on you. There are a couple of ways to get this. And once you've gotten this over here, you should be good to go. Then whenever you go ahead and click on your card, or purchase a product you want, I'll add this one over here and see what we get. All right, click on continue to checkout. I do need to go ahead and fill this out again, so I suppose I can do that again. And then you're good to go. So then we do need to go ahead and select the payment option. You can see we got a bunch of different options right here. We don't have any credit option over here because we currently don't have any credits, but once we have credit, it'll be available over here, and then we should be good to go. It's easy peasy. Whenever you buy stuff, you get a couple of credits as well if they're within their themes and promotional events, as you can see right here. It says right here. So pretty cool. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Also, you can apply a coupon codes and promo codes you can find in the description below and save even more money as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.